Hey ladies, so this is the Milk Bath Encapsulated Flowers. I'm not too sure if that's the correct name for it, but I'm just going to go along with it. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just please keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut the flowers into small pieces so it's easier to apply. I then picked up a medium-sized bead and placing it onto the nail and just lightly, and I mean lightly, brush the acrylic, fading it into the tip. I decided to pick up a smaller bead to fill in the gap because the acrylic was just a little bit too runny that day. That's why you see me constantly brushing the sides in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward to the good part. So I picked up a small bead of the clear powder, placing it onto the edge. This way the flower will adhere to the nail a lot better. I pretty much just randomly placed the flower anywhere, but only on the free edge. Honestly, there's no right or wrong on how to do this look. You pretty much can create just anything you want. So moving on to the ring finger, I did the same thing, fading the acrylic and just randomly placing the flowers wherever I wanted. Oh, by the way, this time I decided to add some glitter flakes. I got this at Michael's, and I will leave the link in the description. And the flowers, I got them at my local beauty supply store, but you can purchase them on Amazon, so I will also leave the link down below. With the thumb, I was going to freestyle, but ended up doing the whole nail. Like I said, there's no right or wrong into creating this look. you are done, you want to go ahead and encapsulate the nail. This will actually prevent you from filing off the beautiful design you just created. After you encapsulate, you want to file the nail. I'm using my 100-100 nail file. You want to make sure your file is straight so you can achieve a sharp look. A tip I want to share to prevent you from filing so much is to pre-file before the acrylic application. That will make it so much easier for you. I'm going to file the rest of the nail and I'll come right back to show you how I file with my e-file. So now that you shape the nail, you want to use your e-file to smooth out the nail. I'm using my fine drill bit, and I will link down below where you can purchase the bit as well as the e-file. I like to start at the cuticle and work my way down to the nail bed until I have a smooth surface. You also want to be careful when filing around the cuticle, especially if you're working on a client. You don't want to hurt them. Just take your time with it. Okay, so now I'm going to dust off the hand and apply gel top coat. I'm using Koopa Gel Infinity. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I'm going to apply the top coat to the rest of the nail, and I'll come back and show you the final look. Okay, ladies, this is the final look. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye!